And from Parliament, we take you to the court where the High Court in Accra has admitted into evidence the audio recording between Richard Jakpa and the Attorney General for the cross-examination of Richard Jakpa, the third accused in a defective ambulance case. This was after the Attorney General's office raised concerns about the relevance of the audio to the main trial. Following arguments for and against its admission, the judge ruled in favor of its admissibility. Lawyers for the minority leader, Dr. Casey Latuforsen, then extensively cross-examined Richard Jakpa on the audio and other matters. There's more in this report.
Lawyers of Latuforsen questioned Richard Jakpa extensively on his claims that the Attorney General engaged him at odd hours to incriminate Latuforsen. Asked on how many times he has met Attorney General Godfred Yeboadame, he answered that they have met 4 times, all in the house of his cousin, Supreme Court Judge Justice Johnny Kulendi. He noted that all meetings were held between the hours of 9:30 p.m. and 11:30 p.m. According to Mr. Jakpa, 2 of the meetings were held in 2022, in February and July. Under cross-examination, he revealed that the first meeting on February 16, 2020 was at his request. He noted, however, that he wanted to meet the Attorney General to explain issues to him and to help him appreciate that the charges against him were unfounded. He revealed that at this first meeting, the Attorney General assured him of a discharge during the ruling of his submission of no case. For the second meeting in July 2022, however, he notes that he was rather called to the house of Johnny Kulendi to meet the Attorney General. Richard Jakpa indicated that he decided to cooperate with the Attorney General based on earlier assurances of his discharge from the case. Richard Jakpa claims that at the second meeting, Godfred Dame asked him to make available some documents he had provided to the Economic and Organized Crime Office, for which he obliged. The documents he forwarded to the Attorney General as a result of this engagement include an addendum to the main contract for the supply of the ambulances and a letter from former Minister of Health Alex Segbefia nominating government officials to go to Dubai and discuss issues relating to the contract with Big C, the suppliers. According to Mr. Jakpa, he wanted the Attorney General to read the letters and realize there was no wrongdoing on his part. Richard Jakpa also disclosed of another meeting in March 2024, days before he opened his defense, as well as a meeting before the ruling on the submission of no case in 2023. Businessman Richard Jakpa also rejected claims that the ambulances that are a subject matter of the instant prosecution are not fit for purpose. The state will on Tuesday have the opportunity to cross-examine Richard Jakpa on his evidence before the court, allegations he's made and claims he has made. Reporting for ChannelOne News, Hansen Achiman.